Brad from the Energy Corridor has a question about energy ratings.
Well, he said some are now mandatory.
Okay.
Brad writes, a builder is telling me there's a mandatory federal energy rating that began in 2016, 2017 for residential construction, like what he's working on. He says it's a lot like LEED certification, which he understands to be voluntary, and he isn't clear on the details or who regulates or approves it. He's wondering, have you heard anything about this?
First off, federal law does not supersede state law in Texas.
Yeah, I think I got news for you. There are cities in California who are proving that point right now.
So there could be a federal law that they're trying to get across to everybody. But the bottom line here in Texas, we do have energy standards we have to meet. If you're in the city of Houston, Westview, wherever, if you're in a municipality and they have some enforcement ways of enforcing these rules. It's just like if you can't enforce building codes if you don't have inspectors and permits.
Okay.
So if you build out in the county, you can do pretty much what you want.
Is that like, we had after Harvey, we had all these people who are coming through and saying, you must have a certification that your house has been dried out or something. And it turned out to be something that installers had made up because there was no regulating body to oversee it.
That's right. You have to have some kind of enforcement.
Right.
You can't have laws if you don't have police to enforce them. Right? The old Wild Wild West.
That's
a good example.
There are even police at Disney World.
Anyway,
exactly.
So there's nothing federal that you have to do. If you're in a municipality and they require an energy breakdown on your home that has to do with windows and air conditioning and insulation, R values, things like that, there is something an architect or engineer, a piece of paper they have to fill out, and it has to meet a standard. It's very simple, and it goes in for the permit process.
We have that in Houston, you're saying.
City of Houston did when I was building, and it's been around for over a decade. It's been there a long time.
Okay. And we've been around for a long time. We'll be here a long time more. You know why?
Why? People
keep sending us questions. We appreciate when you send them to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here on our video, or as you can see over here. And, of course, you can see more on our channel if you'll just subscribe.